channel. Just out with Carl Johnson. We're doing a wild camp up at the Woolpacks. It's a few days before Christmas 2020. Conditions obviously, as you can see, are really breezy, really sunny. Might have a few showers possibly later, but we were originally going to camp at the at Kinder Downfall, but I sort of said to Carl, maybe we'll camp up at the Woolpacks just to get a bit of respite from the wind. So yeah, Carl's just down there. Hi Carl, if you're watching. So we come up just from up Jacob's Ladder up here up to I think that's Swine's Back, possibly Edale Rocks, I can't remember. But here's the view, looking over towards the Great Ridge, Mount Tor. I can just see the top of a pipe, I think from Hope, and we'll get some good views hopefully of Loose Hill, which is just over the other side. Just looking forward to it really. It's going to be a good one. Testing out the GoPro Hero 9 for the first time. Got a little screen on the front so I can see my my ugly mug in full view. Yeah, so let's carry on. We're very close to camp now, so just going to pitch the tent up and settle in for the night. It's going to get dark soon. So some moody looking skies, terrible hair behind me, very moody winter skies. It's fantastic. Hopefully I'm going to shoot some time lapses in a minute when we get to camp, so I'll come back to you when we get there. Comfortable there, isn't it? I thought
still fine to drink like, just the colour can be a bit.
Well, it's not quite sunset, is it? Sorry? Yeah. Let's get a shot of that, I think. Okay, it's the last of the light now. It's the tent. So it's going to show you tonight's setup. Hunker Bivy XL from Outkit, extra bit of protection for the sleeping bag, Trekology UL80, Decathlon cheapo pillow, Alp kit, Pipe Dream 400 3-season sleeping bag. Obviously I've got base layers and stuff, and hot water bottle just in case. Got that tip from Patrick Dickinson, check out his channel. Yeah, so bit of a mess. Alright, all pitched up for the night. It's the tent. It's pretty windy, pretty cold. But yeah, get some food on. Get on the go. Just give you some of the views. Yeah. So just looking forward to settling in for the night really. Tent's all ready to go, and just done a time lapse which hopefully you've just seen. So I'm gonna get some food on. Alright. Okay. Hope you can see me. Just actually it's still pretty early. 5 o'clock maybe, something like that, but we've just got some rain that's come over, so me and Carl have jumped in our tents. Pretty cosy in here really. Got a down jacket on, just getting my sleep system all sorted out. You can see that, it's the end of the tent. So yeah, we're looking to get some dinner on in a minute. Yeah, settle in for the night 'cause it's getting quite dark now. Probably hear the rain on the fly. But yeah, it's been good so far. First kind of camp I've done really since I did the Great Glen Way in the summer. So first, this is like middle December, so yeah, you can see me now. Yeah, so it's been really good so far. Yeah, it's obviously great. I've struggled to do these solo camps on my own. It's great having someone there when you're picking up now. Hope this thing's gonna hold. So I'll catch you up with you later. See that? This is what we're playing with here, kids. To see though. Jesus. Well, good morning. It's about 8 o'clock on Sunday morning. It was very windy last night. Didn't get much sleep, sort of on and off really. So I'm looking a bit tired, as I can see in the screen here. It's very bitterly cold. The wind sort of died down a bit, as you can tell from the tent, but it really was it was pretty gusty last night. But the tent stood up well. Nature hike cloud up too. Probably wouldn't take this out in any more than 35 mile an hour winds, because that's what I think that's probably about the speed of the winds last night. But yeah, it was all right. I was pretty warm really in my Outkit pipe dream with a sleeper bag liner and the Outkit Hunker Bivy XL. Yeah, I was pretty warm really. So yeah, I've just had a coffee and stuff. Probably just saw I just did a pan around of the morning. Really, it's completely bleak, not much to see out there, no sunrises or anything like that. So yeah, just gonna get sort of packed up really, and once it gets a bit lighter we'll probably be on our way back down to Edale. Alright, this is where I was pitched last night. As you can see, no trace left apart from a flat bit of grass. That's it. Brook Clough, isn't it? Down there. Half down.
No, Grindsbrook's way over
sorry.
the far side. Oh, you done GoPro?
Alright, thanks for watching that video. So that was a wild camp up by the Woolpacks. So as I say, it was a really windy night. It's the first time I'd camped in any sort of strong winds, and yeah, I was really impressed with the nature hike. It stood up to, yeah, there were gusts of 48 miles an hour at about 5 o'clock. It stayed about 33 miles an hour, I think, most 33 to sort of 30 miles an hour all night. And you know, that's 120 quid tent, which would be classed as a budget tent, and it stood up really well. Very well ventilated. Make sure you obviously tie out all the guy ropes if you're looking to get this tent, and it's you know, you're doing any sort of serious camping in the Lake District or Peak District or anywhere like that where you're up high. You need to guy it all out, and the back as well. So I got that tip from Summit or Nothing. Check out their channel as well. Yeah, but hope you enjoyed the video. First time I've really done some sort of serious editing in a while, so I hope you enjoyed the music. If you're new to my channel, please hit the like button if you like the video. Feel free to subscribe. There's going to be obviously more videos like this coming up. Hopefully now we're in this tier 4 situation in the UK. It might not be for a while possibly, but we'll see how things go. Yeah, so please subscribe. Obviously go and check out Carl's channel. I'll be doing some more camps with him hopefully when we can get out, and his channel is Carl Johnson Outdoors, so he's got some really fantastic outdoor productions on there, not just wild camps but walks as well. So so thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Cheers, bye.